How to fix Apple Music login problems. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular and try opening a website to confirm your connection. If you're unsure, you can also go ahead and verify your Apple ID and password. Simply go to appleid.apple.com. And if that is not the case, you might also need to check the system status at apple.com/support/system status to check if there is any outages. If there is, you need to wait and try again later. You can also go ahead and signing out and signing in of the account. Update your iOS and your Apple Music application, and your date and time settings should be set to set automatically. If that is not working, you might need to reset your network settings at General, Transfer, Reset iPhone, Reset, and Reset Network Settings. And if nothing works, simply contact support@support.apple.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.